this is not another EAM screen. This is your EAM live on your phone. I create a work order, and seconds later, it shows up right here as a mobile widget. No refresh, no searching, just real time. Okay? The work order is in, now watch this. Let's check the widget in real time. And airy ease, you can see the work order right here on the widget. We actually have 2 widgets showing the list, and of course you can just tap any entry to jump straight into the app. From there, you can take action. For example, let's add a quick work order comment, and of course you can see it here in EAM. The update comes through immediately. Let's close the app and go back to E and open the requisition screen. From here, we can jump back into the widget, tap the request, and we're right back inside the app. And now we can approve it directly. The app automatically knows what actions are available based on the current status. And of course, this action is immediately reflected back in EAM thanks to the web service integration. Now let's close the app again and move on to the next scenario. This time, instead of approving the request, we're going to reject it and add a comment to explain the decision. So let's jump back into the app and see how that looks. In the widget, you can see all work orders that are relevant for this user. You can easily scroll through the list, and the same applies to requisitions as well. But that's just the beginning. We also have other options. For example, let's take a look at some KPIs. We can display key values, charts, and trends, giving you a quick overview of what's going on. And another really useful view, at a glance, you can see the overall status of your assets. That's EAM live on your phone. If you found this useful, hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more. See you next time.